Okay, let's start building this sheet metal toolbox. Now I'm in Onshape, I've signed in, and you can see I've got a whole lot of junk on my screen here because I've been using Onshape for just a little while and I've got a few documents. You'll probably have nothing here, and that's fine. So the first thing you're going to do is create a new document. So click the blue button on the left, tell it it's going to be a document, and give it a name. We're going to call this toolbox. I'm going to call it sample. You could call yours something more intelligent. Alright, we're waiting for that to create. And now here we are in the modeling workspace. So this zone in the middle here is where you're actually going to build your objects. And you can see we've got these three blue, well, they're squares, but we're looking at them from an angle. And these represent your front, your top, and your side planes. So to have a look at these from different angles, I'm going to right-click with the mouse, hold the right mouse button down, and I'm going to rotate around, and that'll give you an idea that this is a three-dimensional space. So right mouse button will rotate your view. If you use the middle mouse button, that's clicking the scroll wheel on your mouse, you can pan around, so slide the view around left and right and up and down without rotating. Now the first thing we're going to do is change a setting with how this rotation or orbit will actually work. So click your name up in the top right hand corner and go to your account, and we're going to go to preferences. We're going to scroll down. Now, the first time you signed into Onshape, you would have had to tell the program what units you're going to use. Make sure you're using metric units. Looks like I had something there in inches. Look at this, I've got pounds. Let's get rid of that. Let's go. There we go. That's a lot better. What sort? Oh, I'm going to have pascals. All right. We're going to save that, but this is what we're here for here. View settings. So we want to click this little box right here, set default rotation behavior to constrained rotate. So make sure you've got that ticked. I already had mine ticked. And that's good. So once you've done that, you can go back to the workspace, return to document up here in the top right hand corner of your screen. Alright, it's me from the future, just coming back to tell you that I am assuming you are actually using a mouse here for these demonstrations and not the trackpad on your laptop. It is possible to use your trackpad, but it is more difficult, and the exact technique is different depending on what model, what brand of laptop that you use. If you are stuck using your trackpad, you're going to have to search for just search for something like Onshape trackpad, and if you've got a Mac, maybe say Onshape trackpad MacBook, and you'll be able to find the techniques. You can learn it, but it's way easier with a mouse, so if you can get a hold of a mouse somehow, do that.